The Principal Financial Group would like to congratulate American National Bank of Texas for being named one of the Principal 10 Best Companies for Employee Financial Security 2012. In order to determine this year's 10 best companies, an independent panel of industry experts meticulously sifted through extensive data on the financial security and benefit programs these companies are offering their employees.
Clearly, some of the trends that we saw in the 2012 nominations and in the winners include a greater emphasis placed on wellness, a greater emphasis that is being placed on helping employees become more informed through education programs and through very proactive outreach so that people can take full advantage of the opportunities and benefits that are being made available to employees of all organizations.
Most companies are doing this for a couple of reasons. One, of course, they just care about their employees and they want to make sure their employees are healthy. But also, those healthy employees make for a much more productive work environment. So it really is kind of a win-win.
Every company we saw had a well thought out communication platform. They utilized outside financial advisors, had independent people, and many of them clearly stated they had an open door policy with their HR or other senior staff members. So I thought they did an exceptional job with that.
What has surprised me as I have done the judging over the last few years when the economy has been so difficult is the commitment of these small companies to their benefit programs. It is easy for these small employers to basically reduce their commitment to the benefits of their employees as one of the strategies to deal with this situation. Fortunately, these small companies, and I think the companies like them who continue to support their benefit program are going to find that they are in far better shape to hold their high-quality workers after we come out of this, and we will come out of this, of course.
Attraction and retention are much stronger in companies with strong benefit programs. And we also know that turnover is very, very expensive. Different calculations suggest that every time you lose an employee, it costs you 1 year of their pay to actually replace them in terms of future training costs and lost business. So being able to attract and retain good people is really critical. Benefits play a very important role in that. People making decisions in these kinds of economic times are more and more looking for financial security. Companies that can help them get there are going to have a much easier time getting the very best people.
The 10 Best Judging gives inspiring examples to small business so that if they look up from, that day-to-day grind, they can see, yeah, there are people who really are doing these extraordinary things, and maybe I can do those as well.
Companies are ultimately most successful when people feel protected and they want to work there. I think that this program makes people remember that, and it's a very important message to keep out there that we need to cut costs and we need to cut back on things, but you need to not take them from the people that need them the most. And benefits is the easiest area to cut, but the hardest hit on employees and families.
This program is extremely valuable because it allows you to benchmark your organization among other organizations across all industries. It allows you to see the kinds of things that you're doing and how you can really see what other organizations are doing and get the recognition for those kinds of programs that allows your organization to be a preferred destination or a true employer of choice.
Congratulations, American National Bank of Texas, for being named one of the Principal 10 Best Companies.
They have a terrific, really strong health program. Their commitment there, the financial commitment that they make to the health program is fantastic. But in addition to that, they've added a really well-rounded wellness program and then access to a health advocate. So putting all that together, we thought made for a really wonderful health program. And then on top of that, they really even do a fantastic 401k program. Their retirement plan, in addition to the 401k, which they offer, and they have a great match, they've also have a profit sharing plan, an ESOP. So there's definitely a real commitment on their part to make sure that their employees are well-rounded both on the health and the retirement side. But they've even taken a step back and been even more holistic than that and offering, tuition reimbursement and scholarships for dependents and a number of other things that really make it a very complete package.